We are pleased to show you the 2003 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.